know what I did?
Good morning and welcome to Nay's Days. I am Nay. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe below to become part of the Nay's Daisies. So, I'm driving to work, which most of my vlogs are driving to work. And I see a van come in the opposite direction. And it's one of the vans that look like this, that look like that, that look like this, that look like that. And those vans creep me out. I don't know if because I saw it on Home Alone or if, you know, some scary shows that have kids in the back or somebody who's being kidnapped or being murdered. You know, you always see those types of vans in those videos and it makes you think, is that really happening in real life? So, don't like seeing those vans. So is there a car or a vehicle that you see that makes you think of something that you saw in a video or a movie that reminds you of like killing or something like that? Leave in the comments below. So I'm sitting in my car putting my real shoes on, and I noticed when I picked up my flip-flop that I have a piece missing. What if the dog got hungry? Guess I need new flip-flops. This one's fine. Look, chunk taken out. What is that? I'm bored today. Even though I'm busy today, I'm kind of bored. Like the type of mood. But I finished my first assignment of the day and I'm heading to the car dealership. My front end, driver's side, I don't know anything about cars, but it's like riding a little bit differently and it's a lease, so I'm going to take it to the car dealership just so they can look at it, and I'm going to get a loaner car, and maybe I might be looking for my next car. I don't know. And you guys are going to help me look for my next car. And let's go. So much traffic going northbound that is just crazy. Like, people are turning around on the mediums, and I am not going that way. I do not want to sit in that traffic. RDX, and I'll show you guys later what this looks like. We are an Acura family. I've had Acuras ever since I started driving. I've had 3.2 TLs. I've had 2 MDXs, an RSX, a TLX, TL Type Sport. We love Acuras. And so I'm in an RDX. It's the first time. It's an SUV. It's very nice. It has 3 seats back here, which I like because the boys have more room. Seriously, very windy out today. Just came from my one appointment and the door was like, I'm like, luckily I didn't break it. And I come out to my car and I just had my door open just like a little bit. And luckily, I'm not parked super close to the next car because that would have, like, seriously taken off their side mirror. Whew. So are you guys enjoying your Wednesday hump day? I'm like still in that mood. Like I'm having a good day. You know, I'm alive. I think it's just like so busy that it's like bam, 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 because I had my morning assignment, then to the car dealership, then grab something really fast to eat, then go to my assignment. Now I have a break that I can actually like breathe. Crazy, crazy day. We have an RDX. Let's take a look at this. 17. Nice wheels. Nice black accent on the bottom. Just one touch and it opens up. It has the button here. You can pull down. What's this? Oh, that's cool. That's convenient. Oh, I like. So that's easy if you have a lot of storage, a little latch for temporary repair kit for a flat tire. They don't come with tires anymore. That's very cool. To the driver's seat. It has all your controls over here. Here's the interior. Very basic. Nice storage right here. More storage right here with some outlets, the auxiliary, the lighter. Very nice. The radio. You have to put in reverse. It has the backup camera. What are we doing?
What are we doing? We're waiting on the bus. I see it.
I see the bus now. Too. We're waiting for Brady to get off the bus.
Blinky. Pretty.
Battle wagon?
No, it's a loner.
No,
It's a little one. It's a loaner car.
So Brady made a little cave that Barkeets would not be able to get in. Oh, look, I see an opening. Yep. So, he blocked this entrance. He blocked this entrance and that entrance. So Barkeets cannot find a way to get in. Whoop, whoop. Let's get in this beauty. I had to get as much work done as I wanted to for my business. Going through receipts of 2017, I should have been more organized. But I gotta do billing after I get done from the chiropractor. Gotta edit this vlog when I get done from the chiropractor. I gotta be a mom when I get back from my doctor's appointment. And they said everything was fine with my car, so that's awesome. So I just gotta go back tomorrow, drop this off in between assignments. Ready? I love the pickup. Although John heard this and could adjust the steering wheel. I like it up higher. John hates it. He's like, a truck. You're driving a big truck. Hey, I like it. So, you guys having a great day. Hope you are. I hope you're, always thinking positive. Get that negativity out of your head. Oh, I'm at the chiropractor. Look, on the table. I have to do this, like adjust my back, but he's not in here yet. So I'm just chilling, just waiting for him. Maybe I should ask for a massage too. Can't wait to get adjusted. I feel so much better. Normally my one leg's like longer than the other because I think maybe how I sleep or how I walk. I don't know. But can't wait to feel so much better. Alright, what are we doing, bud?
I'm trying to find.
Now he's getting sidetracked.
Hi, Buckets. Alright, come here. Mama said you were learning cursive. Here, she taught you cursive. Come on.
Oh.
Alright, let me sing.
I know how to do my.
Wow, Buggy.
Isn't that great?
Good job.
I know my last name too.
So guys, I'm going to end the vlog here. Thank you for joining me today. I am going to have a great night with Brain Eats and Mom Mom. Look at Mom Mom's hair. Ooh, Mom Mom got a new hairdo. Yeah. So, always think positive, never give up, live life to the fullest. And I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye.